I was expecting that he will get something small. Yun pala, ito yung binili niya for Mishka. Make it little presentable. Huh? Okay. The little girl is awake. Nag-washroom lang siya.
I heard some noise that someone was knocking the door.
Yes, I also heard the noise.
I think Santa Claus has come, but I'm not sure about the gift.
You check, wait.
Chalo, let's wear your slippers.
Fix your hair tonight.
Wait.
Santa Claus don't like hair messy, maybe.
Wait.
She's excited. Did he come last night? What is that? What's that?
What is that?
Oh my gosh, Santa Claus came last night. Huh?
Slowly take out.
Santa Claus came?
He left a gift for Mishka.
What is that? What did Santa Claus give you? Just like that?
No, it's like this. I tell you.
Oh my gosh.
Press it. Good. Press it.
Why did Santa Claus give you that?
Press this also.
Did you ask Santa Claus for that? Huh? What is that, How?
That is little Irma.
Irma? Really? Did you tell Santa Claus that? That you like that? He came last night. Oh my God, Santa Claus came.
You like Santa Claus gift, huh? Press.
Santa Claus came.
Santa Claus came last night, yes.
That is mine. Santa Claus gave me that. And next time I don't go outside, it's with Dad.
Okay. She's so happy. Before 7, nung paglabas namin, natutulog pa siya. Pagbalik namin, ilang minuto lang, gising na siya. Buti na lang, nilagay namin. Ngayon na. Kung natulog pa si Abby ng mga ilang minutes, late na. Can I try your gift? Can you share with Mommy? Can you share with Mom and Daddy?
First, me.
Okay, first, siya muna. Okay.
Too hard.
It's too hard. Try one. Let me see. Yeah, it's hard.
Okay.
You have to press it hard. Let Mommy try the Santa Claus gift. Uy! Binonggahan ng tatay yung unang araw. Sabi ko sa kanya, sana yung mga maliliit lang na kung ano-ano ba yung ilagay. Ito pala yung binili niya. Tapos sabi niya last night, hindi ba maganda yung ganun? Sabi ko, okay lang naman. Kaya lang baka yung isa dito, mag-expect siya na everyday something, ganito ba, medyo malaki. Something big yung kanyang ma-receive everyday until Christmas. Sabi ko, maliliit lang kasi yung sa amin dati na nilalagay nila ni Mama at ni Papa dati merong lapis, mansanas, mga ganun lang. Na-excite masyado yung tatay na ito yung binili niya. Pero first time din kasi ni Abhi. But anyway, happy yung bata, guys. Were you a good girl or a naughty girl?
Good girl. he goes up, he goes sleeping, he goes up, he goes sleeping, he goes up, he goes sleeping.
Yeah. We woke up so early on a Sunday morning. Ano 7:30. So we decided to go for a morning stroll para ma-enjoy namin yung weekend. Ngayong weekend yung hindi stress si Daddy. Daddy, this is the first weekend I think that you are not stressed.
Why?
So, nag-aya siya na gumala kami this morning.
We are in our liberation phase.
Yes. And our happy face. Magsapatos kami kasi malamig. Foggy. Finished with breakfast. Now that he will have his haircut. Daddy is Santa Claus. Daddy, look here. We are back home and she wanted to have strawberry. How many do you want?
5.
5. Okay. How many now? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Strawberry healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Healthy, okay.
Yummy strawberry.
Yes, it is. And it's also healthy. Daddy is ready. He's going to attend a wedding. We're going to say goodbye to Daddy. Si Mishka, naka-full head, headdress. And yung kasamahan niya sa trabaho na attend din sa kasal, pareho sila ng outfit, guys. White top and black pants. Tingnan niyo silang dalawa. Bye!
Hi!
Bye, Daddy. Okay, Daddy will come. Let's go.
And I'm going to come
Yes.
in my house.
We're back home.
No, I bought it in the local.
I thought return gift.
No, what? Who will give return vegetables?
But
And then?
they do give coconut trees. Coconut trees. Samplings you can plant it in your house.
Okay, so vegetables. Binili pa na natin.
From a local vendor.
Okay. And then, oh, grabe, ang lalaki. So big.
Is that a local? I was in doubt.
Ang lalaki ng kamatis. Galing siya sa kasal, pero meron siyang mga biniling gulay pa uwi. Ngayon guys, sa labas muna kami. Kasi alas 5. Yeah, we're coming! Kasi yung binili namin, yung in-order namin na regalo para sa Christmas kay Mishka, ngayon pa lang siya dumating and kukunin namin doon sa collecting hub. Bukas kasi yung delivery niya doon sa office nila ni Abhi. 23-24 naka-leave si Abhi. So, hindi na siya pupunta sa opisina bukas. So, i-collect na lang namin doon sa Amazon Hub ngayon yung aming regalo. ganun kadami yung tao guys kasi papasok siya. And look at the view, oh. Han, overlooking Madikeri, oh. Pumunta kami doon sa Amazon for collection sana ng parcel pero close sila. I'm not sure if close sila because it's already 6 or dahil Sunday ngayon. So dito na lang kami pumunta. Ang ganda pala dito.
Wrapping up in the winter's cold. Hang the lights in the mistletoe. Run around like the year before.
Oh my gosh,
While we savor the great indoor.
pwede kang lumabas.
I don't need a gift to know you got me, just to make me feel at home. Just a simple wish to make me happy, so that I can feel you close. Just one thing I'm asking for, give me love, that's all I want. Unbox or in a bowl, give me love, that's all I want.
What will you say to Uncle? What will you say?
Give me love, that's all I want. Can you feel wonder in the air? All around like a carousel. Time of year is a time for care.
She will copy.
Making new memories to share.
Small size watercolor, small size watercolor, 24 shades watercolor, 36 shade watercolor.
How much is this one? Darating na namin sa bahay. Yung pinili ko. This is for tomorrow. Teka. So, itatago ko muna to dito. Failed yung pinunta namin doon sa Amazon kasi sarado. Baka bukas na talaga yung Christmas gift ni Mishka. 22 na ngayon, so 23 darating. Meron pang 2 days. Magiging busy kami ngayong gabi dahil maglilinis kami ng bahay, and dito sa kwarto maglilinis din ako because tomorrow meron kaming visitor. Kasabay namin siyang magse-celebrate ng Christmas. Actually, hindi lang siya. May paparating pa. So, magkakasama kami mag-celebrate ng Christmas. So, kailangan natin ihanda yung kanyang room. This is a different variety of bottle gourd. Ayan. Pabilog naman siya. Let's open. Wow. Mas marami siyang laman. Cleaning the kitchen and cooking is yours.
Yeah, my department.
Yeah, okay. I will clean the house and the other room.
Wrap me up in the winter's cold. Hang the lights in the mistletoe.
Finally, anong oras na? Mag-alas 12 na. Tapos lang naming maglinis ng bahay. Malinis na yung aming guest room para sa bisita namin tomorrow. Ito yung kwarto namin na iba-iba yung kurtina. Someday maiintindihan nyo kung bakit. Hindi kami nag-effort para palitan yan. And dito, nakatambak yung aming mga luggage, mga boxes. Kasi wala nang ibang mapaglagyan. Yung aming living area, malinis na din. Si Abhi yung naka-assign dito. Tapos yung kusina. Pero hindi pa kami nakakain. Kakain pa lang kami. For tomorrow. Yeah. She loves painting, drawing, coloring.
How it can fit in this? Ribbon or something? We put the ribbon and we'll hide the tape somewhere.
Wala kaming mahanap na ribbon, pero meron kaming pulang tali. Ito pa yung tali. Where did it came from? Ganun na eh. Itong tali na to.
They tied the suitcase.
Ito yung tinali nila ni Papa sa kanilang bagahe. So, sentimental to para sa akin, guys. Now you are enjoying this fun, Christmas fun.
Almost have anything.
So, yan na.
Now she will pull it. So if she will pull it, I said, no, pull that side. Maybe something is there. You follow the
Follow the lead. So, she'll pull it. So let's go. Let's have dinner. It's already 12. Dinner cooked by Daddy. We have dal. And ito na yung upo. This is only half na, ano? Kalahati lang to yung niluto niya. Yung kalahati na sa ref pa. Kain tayo. And good night na lang sa inyong lahat. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
You like my channel, please press on my button. Like